ladies and gentlemen, this is my tech. So this Thursday morning, we will be active. I specialize on all luxury cars, whether electrical, mechanical, anything you ask for. So this motor now we're servicing the gear. We fixed the clutch, the new clutch. Was the previous clutch is having issues, so we replaced the clutch. This is the transmission clutch. So this is defective, so we replaced it, but suddenly we are servicing the gear. So this is the oil, is 3 liters. It's about 3 liters now. So the fixed luxury cars, they will be active. So this is my oil pressure can. So I'm using it to refill the oil in the transmission. So what else? Let's go. Let's see how it goes. Then you pump it. So this is where the position. So this is how we refill our oil. Everything no be stress.